Hi, I'm Chris Daniel with Cincinnati Forge Tools. Welcome to our series of instructional videos on how to use our handmade hardy tools. Thanks for watching and let us know what you think. Hi, I'm Chris Daniel with Cincinnati Forge Tools. I'm going to talk to you today about our bending fork hardy tool. It's all mild carbon steel welded together. You have 2 3/4 inch pins welded on the sides there. This fits into your hardy hole in your anvil, into your swage block, into a striking plate that has a hardy hole. We also have 3 different size pipes that you can slide onto the 2 rods to either make the gap in the middle bigger or smaller depending on what you're trying to bend. So what we're going to do is show you this and how to use it. Again, as with all of our other tools that come in 4 different shank sizes, we have 1 1/4, 1 inch, 7/8, and 3/4. Now we're going to demonstrate how to use the bending forks. Again, you are able to adjust the gap in the middle. Right now it's at about a 1/2 inch. So you can put opposing pressure against one of the sides. You can also pull back as you hit to try and get a nice gentle curve. Most of the time with this I would suggest cutting a longer piece of steel so you can hold it by hand. You don't want to have a short piece on there necessarily that you're holding onto with tongs, because you'll have a tendency to pull with the tongs and that could misalign or misshape the tongs. But you could even do it, without a hammer. You could put them in there and pull one way or the other to make a nice curve. And while it's hot, you can do compound curves like that where you're going in one direction and you flip direction. Yep. Okay, even though we're going to change the dimension on the piece we're heating up right now, so it's a little bit thinner than what we just showed you, I'm going to open up this gap a little bit just to show you that you can have a little bit of a tighter radius if you go around just the rod stock itself, or you can get a bigger radius going around that. So you see, you can either use the hammer to help you, or you can just use a little bit of brute force to change it. You can get some pretty complex curves using this tool. And it's a little bit easier for some folks to use a tool like this than to try and bend curves over an anvil horn or a bick. There you go. Thanks for watching.